action.
Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.ProTinkerToys.
Okay, stop. Cut. For one, his face looks like he's in agony. So he needs to. He looks like he's tired and he's in agony. So let's go back and.
Okay, you ready? Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com.
He didn't even stop. What a. Oh, jeez.
All right, so we're doing a video on some more slot cars. Okay, what are you doing?
That just doesn't work on this.
No kidding, it's a remote for an airplane, you dumb. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that.
You did.
Forgive
you
me.
Broke.
We've, my brother and I, he comes over a lot, okay? And we have literally been insulting each other for years. I mean, literally just calling each other the worst names on earth.
Oh,
and I said about... last time he was here, I'm going to always be nice to you from now on. Plus, I'm not going to call him ever again. Because I realized that whenever I called him, okay, he would always say, what do you want? I'm busy. I can't talk to you. So I just said, well, you know what? I'm just never going to call you because then I know if you call me, you're going to want to talk. All right, because that's why you're calling. So that's helped out a lot lately, okay? All right, so we're doing a video. This is, I'm doing a video on Spirit. Okay, now Spirit was only in business for a very short period of time, like 2008 to like 2011. They were in Spain. They did make some good cars. Now, this is one of my best-selling Spirit cars. Oh, yeah. All right, there, okay, yeah, okay, so the car. So that's the car. That's the Golf, all right. And it's a basic car, but you know what? I've sold a lot of these. All right.
Where was it made?
They're in Spain. They're all made in China.
Where?
China. They're kind of a rough car. They run kind of rough.
In China?
Yeah, most of the cars are made in China. Yeah, they're made in China. All right, okay, that came off, okay. I don't know why, but I've sold a lot of these cars because I think, you know what they do to these? I think they modify them. Let's look at one inside and find out what they can modify because I've sold 100 of these cars. Now, these are obviously no longer available in the sense they're not manufactured anymore. So the production is over. Now, I have about 100 of them. So if you're wanting one, they're still on the site, all right? So let's take this apart here and let's look at that. All right, so I keep unscrewing the screw and it never comes out. I give up. All right, so it's a pretty basic car, all right? I mean, you got your motor, you got your axle, you got your pinion gear, you got your gear, and the motor's going right to the guide plinth. You know, there's not much to this. You see that? Le Mans engine, Spirit, 24,000 RPMs. I think that's why they like it. That is why they like this car. It's got a 24,000 RPM motor. So what does that mean? It means a very high torque motor, which is going to have a lot of speed, all right? So what they probably do is they take this motor out and probably put it in a different car. I would assume maybe they do that, okay?
Where's it made? Where?
Okay, you've already done that once. You're trying to kill your joke, all right? Oh, that's disgusting. I can't believe it. Why did you do that? Now put that back together. 24,000, that's pretty high RPM. Most cars are like 19,000 RPM. The faster the RPM, obviously the faster the car will go, but you need a really good magnet to hold the car on the track, but then the magnet can't be too hard because then it's dragging the car down, which then slowing the motor up. So it's a kind of a balance you have to do. But this is not a bad car, all right? Let's put a little bit of WD-40 in it. See if we can slow that down. That's a Golf. It's a Golf black street version. So this is just like a car that you would see on the street, a Golf. And that is made by Spirit, and that's item number 1701502. Don't forget to like and subscribe at ProTinkerToys.com. These are really good just for starter cars. ProTinkerToys.com.